Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, looking at the pound dollar. Interesting move. We've got this break of structure, bullish break of structure right here. So this trend here has been taken out. We've had this breakthrough here. Market structure shift. Now we're seeing a little bit of a pullback in here. Where to from here? Good question. I mean, there is a bit of a bullish momentum building with this to a degree. If we have a look at back here, this low, so we've got this lower low here, and then consider a higher low. So we're starting to see something of a base forming, possibly. What will confirm it for me would be something like this. We've got this balance area down here. We've got price gaps. Have a look at this thin candle here. Left, pick the high, right, pick the low. We've got this price gap through here on the 4-hour time frame, and we've also got another price gap above. So if we have a look at this candle, pick the candle left and the low on the candle current one. Look, I'm always looking at this from 2 points of view. One, the market is looking for liquidity, and two, it's looking to rebalance. Right, so we've got this balance area down here. We've got these gaps where there's an imbalance. So, and it's starting to pick up a little bit of momentum here. Do we trade down? I'm not interested in getting involved up here. And I mean, who knows? See back here, we've got this balance area here, here. I mean, it could give us a shallow pullback and head north. It could do that. And I don't think I want to get involved with that. What I would be interested in, though, is if it trades further down and we see it fill this. I mean, that's a decent move through. Have a look here. We've got a lot of retail traders in here long, and all the stop losses resting in through here. If this trades through and picks up these stops under here, that's big. That's big. And what I'd like to see then, see how we've got this lower low here, higher low here. What I'd like to see would be something like the market trades back down through, finds this balance area, and we see it range through here, and let's say a bit of a spike up and a bit of a spike down. Okay, this is the kind of price action I'd be interested in, and then who knows. So what this is giving me then, and I would just wait to see how this shapes up, and does it give me that. It's going to have to be around this level here for me to get involved. Then we see that nice rounded base forming. And then we start to see higher highs, higher lows start grinding up on the lower time frame. I mean, that would interest me. Now, if it doesn't trade down in here, you can forget this idea. Hey, by the way, guys, have a look at the links below. There's a free Telegram group, and the other link, We Trade Your Forex account. Check it out. The statistics, the history in there could really interest you. So look, that's my take on the pound dollar. I don't want to get involved up here. Bottom line, I want to see it trade down. If it trades off without me, I'll let it go. If it comes down in here and we see a bit of a range and it starts to form a bit of a base, that could be the thing. So that's my take on the pound dollar. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.